viewers. So last week at Zug I told you we were going somewhere even colder, and this is it. I am now in the Red Square in Moscow. I spent the day traveling here. I did get a chance to work a little bit on the plane, make some progress on the identity smart contracts, specifically the capabilities to allow you to change wallets. So I'm spending the last few hours of my day here. It's my first time in Moscow. It's really, really beautiful. I usually don't like to hit the tourist sites, but wow. Tomorrow I will be meeting our partners and flying some drones. You'll get some really cool footage out of that. I'll see you then. Bye.
Hey guys, so yesterday I completed the wireframes for our new press and media page for the new website, and I sketched an app for the autonomous boat that takes selfies, the first version for it. And today I started working on a new communication protocol, the ride-hailing protocol, for users that want to take rides with either an autonomous car or private car owners. So this will be the main focus for today. Thanks guys.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So yesterday, my main focus over everything else was our page strategy. So our focus is to get that launched this week, and then next week we're hoping to get the website developed and created. So in a big combination of working on the page strategy and making sure that strategy is finalized, and then also working on the overall website, not just the design, the content, and a few other pages like the press and media page that are going into it as well. So a lot of moving pieces, trying to wrangle everything and push everything over the finish line. Today my main focus has also been around those things, specifically for the paid media, working on different banner ads, working with a few different team members on getting that strategy actually in place and executed, working on getting the placement of that actual content and advertising in different areas, and then also working on a few of those additional website pages based off feedback I got from different team members. So overall, a lot of great things happening, just pushing everything over the finish line in the next few days and into next week. Thanks everybody, have a good day.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I had a really great meeting together with Alec at EcoMotion, and I worked on the newsletter structure in coordination with Joe. Today I'll be coordinating the publication of our latest advisor announcement. It's a really big one, and I will be continuing to manage pre-sale correspondence and document prep. See you tomorrow.